Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Honda HR-V. This car comes with a superb specification and you've got an awful lot of features with the car. That includes things like a satellite navigation system, DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices and a CD player. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, full leather interior, front heated seats, keyless entry with a push button ignition, and you've also got this lovely panoramic tilt and slide sunroof above my head. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months MOT with roadside assistance. Here at Howard's we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery or the traditional appointment in the showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.